On to some other news. A group that wants to stop San Diego schools from going ahead with an anti-bullying campaign that addresses Muslim students is taking its complaints to court.
The group filed a federal lawsuit this week against the San Diego Unified School District. Sasha Fu has our story tonight. Sasha?
Sandra and Alan, there have been many heated discussions, even some protests over the school district's plan to bring more awareness to the bullying of Muslim students. And now school district officials, including the school superintendent and members of the school board, are the targets of a federal lawsuit.
Is showing a preference for one religion over others.
Attorney Charles LiMandri has made a career out of upholding the right to religious freedom. For years, he played a leading role in the fight to save the cross on Mount Soledad. These days, he's found another battle to keep the San Diego public schools from an anti-bullying effort that he says will give Muslim students special treatment.
As far as we know, no Muslim students have been bullied, but they're saying they're going to adopt this holistic and comprehensive approach that goes beyond the curriculum.
Last month, the school board approved an anti-Islamophobia effort, citing reports of more bullying of Muslim children. In a recent study by the Institute for Social Policy and Understanding, nearly half of the Muslim parents said their children had been bullied because of their religion. And in a quarter of those anti-Muslim incidents, a school official or teacher had been involved.
We have an anti-bullying program for everyone.
LiMandri says he is not opposed to protecting kids from hate.
Neither leave religion completely out of the culture and the curriculum for everyone, or include all of these major religious groups on an equal basis.
He says the school district is violating the rights of other students from other faiths by setting up a discriminatory scheme, quote, that establishes Muslim students as the privileged religious group within the school community.
Remember, we're talking about 1% of the population as opposed to 70% are Christian, so it seems to be disproportionate attention focused on one particular group.
Under guidelines from the state, public school students learn about all major religions as part of their classes in world history. At district headquarters, spokesperson Andrew Sharp says there is no effort to teach or promote Islam or any other religion.
There is no Islamophobia curriculum. There is no Islamophobia curriculum. There is a climate that we're trying to create in all of our schools that aims to make every student feel welcome. We absolutely do educate kids about the major world religions, but not in a way that favors one over the other.
He says the district is asking principals, teachers, and staff to be more aware of incidents involving Muslim children, but as part of a larger campaign to stop the bullying of any student.
If they understood better that our purpose is to protect kids from bullying and not to favor one religion over another, I think they'd understand and be supportive of the program.
We feel that if they're going to do it, they better do it right and get it right from the start. And that's why we filed the lawsuit, to make sure that that happens.
And we will be hearing more from the attorney Charles LiMandri on Thursday at a news conference. He'll be joined there by plaintiffs in this lawsuit, a number of concerned parents, plus a nonprofit called the San Diego Asian Americans for Quality Foundation. The school district says it has not made any revisions yet to its anti-bullying initiative. Any changes will be laid out before the school year ends, with the goal of having the program in place next fall. I'm Sasha Fu. Back to you, Alan and Sandra.
Sasha, let's talk about CAIR. Exactly what is it, and has the school district been partnering with the Arab civil rights group?
CAIR is an Arab civil rights group. It's been involved in a lot of advocacy for Arab Americans. The district says it has not partnered with them. There are no formal contracts or arrangements with the group. District says it went to CAIR for some informal conversations on how to prevent the bullying of Muslim students, but CAIR has not had any part, it says, in designing classes or curriculum. But now the groups that are taking the school district to court have a different opinion. They're very concerned about any possible association with CAIR. Charles LiMandri, the attorney, says some of the organization's leaders in the past have had links to terror-related crimes, and he says that should be a concern.
All right, Sasha, thank you.
At the meeting where this initiative was approved, they talked openly about a formal partnership with CAIR and said they already had one. See the bullet from this slide in the presentation presented by the school district on that night.